Like, secret guys, we have many big news this year. Many big news this year. Don't worry.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told.
Hi guys.
Hello guys.
Welcome back to our channel. Happy New Year.
Yeah, it's another year. Yeah, that's 2020. Yeah.
Happy New Year, guys. Thank you so much. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Esther and he is
Daodu.
Yeah.
I think I think what I'll do now is this year I won't be saying my name because they already know my name, right?
Not everybody knows your name because we have new subscribers now.
Oh, okay,
so
yeah, that's true.
it's okay to say your name. So he's Daodu.
It's not okay. I just want to feel like just active. You know, it's me. Daodu.
Are you okay? Anyway, guys, back to the video. This video is just gonna be like an appreciation video to appreciate everyone that has been with us, and also to appreciate God for making it possible for us to be in this new year. We really feel grateful, and yeah. So first and foremost, we would really like to, we're grateful for sound health all through last year. We've really been good. We've not gone to the hospital for something serious. Our family members are fine and good, so we're grateful for that. Yeah, right?
Yeah. Also, we want to just say we're very grateful for family and friends. Like,
yeah, for family and friends.
Yeah, they've had our backs like throughout 2019,
yeah,
in the past, and all. They've always been with us, supported us and everything, which is really amazing.
So if you're watching and you're part of our family and friends, we really appreciate you guys for all your love and support for us last year. It was so amazing. We look forward to more this year. And like, we also want to appreciate our subscribers, our YouTube channel. It has really been amazing. Starting up a YouTube channel or something
we weren't having like the tools, or let's say the things to use when you want to like go into vlogging and all, like the camera stands, the floodlight, LED light or whatever you call it. Yeah, so we weren't having most of these things, so we just had to so I was more of like the one always saying, let's wait next month. But she was like, let's just start. Let's just put it together. Anywhere we start from, it's just
we start up with something, and before you know it, we get the main equipment we use for vlogging. And yeah, it's. And
trust me, I'm very happy I listened to her, because now, now I'll be really regretting why we started.
Yeah, because late. Usually, if I had listened to him actually for us starting late,
probably would still be in 100 subscribers right now.
Yeah, probably would just be starting our YouTube channel this year and be like, oh, hello guys, we're new YouTubers and all that. So yeah, we're still new YouTubers, but like the love so far from last year to this year, it has really been amazing. YouTube isn't so easy. It's not an easy journey, but yeah, we're coming there. It's
very interesting. To me, I feel it's very interesting. Yeah. And the love you get from the people watching you, and the comments and everything, from Instagram to YouTube to Facebook and all, damn, it's really amazing. Nice. Like, it's each and every day we want to actually sit down and put something together. Once you try reading the comments, you just have this encouragement. You have there are really people watching what you are doing, so you are not just sitting in front of camera and just doing nothing. Yeah, so it really encourages us and us, which we really like so much.
Exactly, it feels so good. And even through YouTube, we've made few friends last year. We got a lot of people going to our Instagram page and sending us DM of ideas on what to do. Like, would like to see this video, would like to see that video, and that's really encouraging to know there's so much love for you to go all the way from YouTube down to our Instagram page and send a DM to us. That's like, wow. I'm like, that's nice. So guys, for this year, if you have any video ideas you want us to do, you have question and answers, you have whatever anything you really want,
just write it in any of our comment sections. We'll go through it and get back to you.
Yeah. And please, we have Instagram page.
Yeah, we also have our Instagram, Daodu and Esther,
and we also have a Facebook page, Daodu and Esther. So please, if you're on Facebook, you can join us on Facebook, and Instagram, please join us on Instagram.
I'm really grateful to God for.
That's it. I'm also grateful to God for our jobs. Also, last year I changed.
Yeah, she kind of changed jobs
last year. I got a new company, and yeah, it was really, really nice. I really appreciate God for all that. And lastly, we're so grateful for us still being together. That's why we have a YouTube channel. If we were
having my troublesome sweetie pie.
Really? I'm not troublesome.
She's my little kitty pie. Kitty. She's my little kitty pie. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're grateful to God for keeping us this far, and we hope we see what God has in package for us.
Don't worry, we have like secret, guys. We have many big news this year. Many big news this year. Don't worry, we're just starting 2020. This is like, for us, this is January 2nd, right? Yeah. So don't worry, before December 31st, you guys will have like seen big surprises from us. Yeah. Take it coming from me, not from her, just from me. Don't worry. I'll give you guys hints later.
I don't know what he's talking about, guys.
Because that's a secret now. That's a secret. You don't need to know.
Okay, well, I'm supposed to know about the surprise.
You're not supposed to know. Don't worry. When it's time, you'll find out.
Okay. Anyway, guys, when it's time, you guys would also get to know about it. I really don't know what he's talking about.
Don't worry, I know what I'm talking about.
Okay, so that's it. We're just grateful for all the good things that will come this year, and we're grateful to have you guys in our life. We're grateful to have you guys in our life. Sometimes this YouTube thing has really encouraged us, because sometimes we go through some stuff and we just watch ourselves back on YouTube, on TV, and just see, oh, we talked about this, so we need to be strong. We need to be this. So if we're leading an example, or we're giving advices, or we're doing something about this, so we should show good examples to ourselves. So it's really been good so far. So that's all for today's video. It's just an appreciation video starting 2020. So please, video ideas, send it down to us, write on the comment section, send us DMs and all. Don't
forget to subscribe as usual, and turn on the notification bell. Yeah, you need to put it on, so when we upload a new video,
you get a notification about it.
Yeah, so please, we won't disappoint you guys this year. We can really assure you guys.
And this year we hopefully want to get to our 1K subscribers. So help us subscribe to our channel. Yeah,
and that's all. Yeah,
that's all. Thank you, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.